Get this video to 5,000 likes, 1,000 people comment RIP. It's a sad day, Jamaica. We have lost another one. Share the video, subscribe, and something for play for now. Listen to this.
I did everything to make my family stay together. Whatever me and my wife have is a personal issue. And any man in the world out there will never argue with him common law, my wife raise him hand. So, in the name of JAH Rastafari, I'm just ask them to give me a break because it look like nothing good enough for going for Jack. The world, me just beg some people to come out of their life and give me a break because everybody have them issues at times. Nobody is perfect. I'm going to leave it at that because for now, I just want to tell the world, just give us a break because they have haters out there when I like say nothing good.
Okay.
And I get mad because I want to change my life and really want to move forward as a man with a family because I respect my family. So I don't wish into this, all of this say and hearsay. Didn't hear it from me.
Welcome everybody. It's Blessing Sunday and welcome. Virtual TV continues to give you breaking news and all updated information. Alright, now as I said before, it's a sad day and we need everybody to come into RIP right now in this segment. You understand what I say? Now since the starting of the school term, there has been a lot of lives lost. And I will tell you further down in the segment about the reports that are now confirmed in this video. You understand? Alright? So everybody hit that post notification bell so whenever Virtual TV drops content, you will be notified instantly. You understand? Whenever Virtual TV post a video. Alright? Like the video, share the video, 1,000 people comment RIP for our fellow brethren. You understand? Alright? Our fellow brethren has lost his life. You understand? And I will give you the details of that coming up in the segment. You understand? Alright, so share the video everybody. This is breaking news. But before we touch that right now, let's go now to this segment. Now, things are looking some kind of way for Jakur right now as it relates to that. You understand? Now, by now, you know everybody that Jakur's appeal has been pressing forward and the updates continue to pour in. Now, Jakur is currently facing another hearing before the Netherlands court. You understand what I say? Because this situation now tells you that Jakur is facing numerous amount of things along with some good news as well. And I will tell you about that. You understand? So, right now as it relates to Jakur, everybody, Jakur is currently back before the courts with a lesser charge. Now, currently now, everyone, Jakur has been acquitted of the attempted murder charge and the manslaughter charge. He's currently on a lesser charge. But however the case may be, still, he is back before the courts where the prosecution is trying tediously to slap the murder and the manslaughter charge on him. Now, if done so, Jakur will look at upwards of 8 years in prison, which his original sentence was 6. You understand? Okay? Now, Jakur was remanded back in court, everybody, as he now press forward to another hearing that is scheduled before the courts as well. Now, reggae singer Jakur was remanded in custody when he appeared in front of the Netherlands court after the hired interpreter was unable to attend a substantive hearing in the singer's case. Now, a whole heap of people don't really interested for Jakur come out, to tell you the honest truth. A lot of persons are not interested. I don't know why. But the support we Cartel get, the support we Ninja Man get, is not the same for Jakur. Jakur's support from the Jamaican people and from the wider public, it's not the same. You understand? Because what a lot of people are saying as it relates to Jakur is that they're saying him is a waste of time. Because you have to understand that Jakur come out of prison, makes up now himself, and then continues to be the center of controversy, continues to find himself in trouble, and him find himself back in a prison yet again. But this time, far away from home. So, the support a Ninja Man I get currently for everybody that is celebrating his victories, the celebrator Cartel get for everybody that has given him a welcome home and celebrating his victories and continues to celebrate his victories, is not the same for Sakator Alak, aka Jakur, because Jakur first ended up at prison for Big R. Let's continue. Now, the substantive hearing was scheduled, but because someone did not show up, the court was unable. Alright, now the last time the case has been adjourned, a representative of the Netherlands Prosecution Service said, now the case has been rescheduled and Jakur is set to now reappear back in front of the courts on October 9 at 2 p.m. Until then, the suspect will remain in custody, the representative said. Now, the substantive hearing on June 18 had been convened to determine whether Dutch prosecutors can pursue the reggae singer on an attempted dropping charge. That is the problem. Because, firstly, let us break this down. In the initial stages of the trial, Jakur was facing the courts, okay? Now, he was being tried for all three charges that you just heard a while ago. Dropping, attempted dropping, and of course, manslaughter. And attempted manslaughter as well. Okay? Now, fast forward to now, everybody. None of the charges that were there sticked. And we're talking about the one, of course, now he currently has, which is the attempted manslaughter charge. So that is good. You understand what I say? The lawyers successfully convinced the judge that he did not drop the promoter. He did not attempt to drop him, and it wasn't a manslaughter case. You understand? But that evidence, that damning evidence that says that he was in allegedly the voice recording of Jakur saying numerous amount of things, might be the nail in the coffin for him. But anyway, the substantive hearing on June 18 had been convened to determine whether Dutch prosecutors can pursue that charge on the reggae singer. Now, over the past few months, a Netherlands investigative judge had been hearing witnesses as Dutch prosecutors pressed their appeal against the acquittal of the unconditional love singer of attempted murder charge in the initial trial. That is the problem again. Now, only hearings where the application of judicial mind to resolution of the dispute are classified as substantive. In other words, a hearing which the outcome of a matter is expected to be decided. This may be referred to as a defended hearing. Family and civil, a trial, a criminal and civil process on an appeal hearing. Now, Jakur, whose real name is Sakator Alak, had been in pre-trial detention in Amsterdam while awaiting the handing down of the prosecution's appeal in 2022 conviction. Now, the conviction stems from a stabbing incident in Amsterdam in October 2021 where he attacked allegedly the Dutch concert promoter Nicardo Papa Blake over unpaid performance fees. Okay, so yeah, now he was convicted to 6 years in March 2022 for attempted manslaughter, but he was acquitted of the attempted dropping charge. Jakur's lawyer appealed the attempted manslaughter conviction. Well, he is appealing that conviction as well. The trial had ruled that Jakur's actions were not that a premeditated act of attempted dropping, and he was acquitted of the more serious charge. So that is good news. But let us send our condolences to JJ, everybody. Now, JJ was found dead in an open lot in Spanish Town. Now, the body of a man found face down in a pile of garbage in an open lot in the community of Clayton Heights, located along St. John's Road, Spanish Town, St. Catherine, on Wednesday night. Now, he has been identified as 24-year-old customer service representative Joan Thomas, otherwise called JJ, an ensman of St. John's Road address. Okay, condolences. According to the police report, around 10:18 p.m., loud noise were heard in the area and the police were called. Upon arrival, they found Thomas lying face down in a pile of rubbish in an open lot. Now, the body had multiple firearm wounds to the upper body. Condolences to the family. More to come, stay tuned. I'm gonna leave a like on the video, share the video. So forward.